Holidays are very prominent in our society and enjoyed by almost everyone, but few people clearly understand the meanings, traditions, and values behind these special days. Holidays tell us about the past and also about the values that those in the present find worth preserving for the future. You can use holidays to teach a variety of subject areas in the K-12 curriculum to engage students about content, standards, and values. In this course, you will examine over 30 holidays observed in America by examining their history and providing a thoughtful analysis about the values these days of celebration and remembrance promote. Some of the topics you will learn in this course include the historical background of significant holidays, how they have shaped American culture and the economy, analyze their meanings and values, and more. You will also create your own holiday and develop a lesson plan designed around holidays. By the end of this course, you will gain a new appreciation for holidays and their potential as a significant interdisciplinary teaching tool.